Here's an ASUS ExpertBook, and the question is how to start it from a USB flash drive. First of all, insert the USB flash drive into the laptop. Then I will power on the laptop using the power button here on the side, and then I will press the escape key. So power it on and then press the escape key a few times until you see something on the screen. Press it a few times. You have the ASUS logo. And here we have the one-time boot menu, and I have a Lexer USB. Lexer is mentioned here, and thus Lexer is mentioned here also. You can use the arrow keys to navigate up and down. Let's choose, let's say, that one, and press enter. Now the laptop is starting from the USB flash drive. Data access is visible. If you want to exit from here, just press Alt F4. If you want to cancel Windows installation, you can go to yes. And now in this case, since nothing was pressed, it's not showing the boot menu, but since it has a Windows on it, it will start that one from the internal hard drive of the laptop. So that one is not running from the flash drive. Now I use a different flash drive. You can do this after restarting Windows also. The same thing, press the escape key a few times and the same thing is shown. This is also a Lexer disk. I also have Lexer there. It's also starting from the flash drive. For some reason this laptop is not booting from this flash drive. This flash drive was bootable on a different computer, but not on this one, as I see. Nothing is happening here. Software is not working on all computers. Some of them are okay, some of them are not. Well, in this case you could try Ctrl Alt and Delete, and if that's not working, not doing anything, then hold down the power button here on the side until it turns off. I'm pressing and holding the power button on the right side of the laptop, and that ASUS logo should disappear after a while. Now it's gone. Now if the USB flash drive is not bootable, like this one, then if I press the escape button, this flash drive will not appear in the list of bootable devices. Windows Boot Manager, that's the hard drive, and Ethernet connection, that is this one, I guess, and that's it. The last one is setup, that is BIOS or UEFI. So if the flash drive is not bootable, then it will not appear in the menu. And by the way, it is not detecting it instantly. This function is not working on this laptop, so a bootable flash drive was inserted, but it does not show up in the menu. To do that, to make it show up, you have to restart the entire laptop. Ctrl Alt and Delete again. This time is working. Now press the escape key. And now Lexer is there. So in order to read the USB flash drive, you have to restart the entire computer and press the escape key again. If I remove it, it's still there. If I insert another one, it did not disappear. So it's not updating the list of available USB flash drives. Now what will happen if I go to Lexer and there is no Lexer inserted? It just returns to the same menu. If I insert the Lexer and boot from that Lexer disk, then it is booting from it. That boot menu is available inside BIOS also. You can enter into BIOS using the F2 key on the keyboard. Boot menu is shown here with F8, but that's also not detecting the disk if it was inserted later. So first insert it, then power on the laptop, and then the flash drive should be visible in the boot menu.